Hi, Erin here from Showhomes Nature Coast, America's best home staging and updates provider, servicing Hernando, Citrus, Sumter, and Marion County. I'm here to explain to you our home staging process and how we can work with your sellers. Many of you shared that sellers aren't interested in staging at this time. And that's because they think it's out of their budget, takes way too much time and effort, or it's only for expensive mansions, or they're just unaware of the significant impact staging can have to sell their homes for the best price. Many think staging is an all or nothing approach or just for vacant homes, but there are many ways that we can work with your sellers to prepare their home for sale. So let's dig in and talk about what's actually involved. All staging projects start with a home assessment. Our team spends up to 2 hours with the seller to discuss their goals, what they love about the home and the neighborhood, and really what brought them there in the first place. And most importantly, assess each and every space to determine what needs completed before photo day. So we start out in the driveway, we look at the curb appeal, we go through the front door, look to the left and the right in the entry, go through each and every home, out the back door, and even look at the outside living space. Together with the seller, we put on our buyer's eyes and we gather our first impressions. We determine what needs packed and removed, what accessories might be needed to freshen up the look and put together a potential shopping list, and even make cosmetic recommendations like paint color. Our proprietary home staging walkthrough report is 52 pages, and it is complete with checklists for every room, customized feedback, and recommended vendors for the homeowner to stage the home. But if they're feeling overwhelmed, we do put together a proposal to assist them with either a half or full day stage based on the number of recommendations. We also offer power shopping services for things like bedding and towels and other small items they're likely to use while still living in the home, but are needed to keep the home ready for open houses and showings. We typically shop from local retailers, most of the time from trade, and sometimes directly from us because we have the best secrets. Our exclusive inventory also offers furniture and accessory rental directly from our warehouse in case we need to bring in things to complete and modernize the look. An owner-occupied staging is where we come in to rearrange and accessorize, often using what the homeowner already has and likely supplemented with a few pieces like art, other small accessories, or small furniture pieces to complete each room. But most of the time, homeowners will have homework from our home assessment day that they need to complete, like cleaning, packing, decluttering, reorganizing, depersonalizing, before we come into stage and before the photos are taken. Vacant staging is when our inventory and accessories are used to dress up an empty home. We do not use a cookie cutter approach to place furniture, but consider our staging a proven marketing tool designed to showcase each property and its unique selling features. We install every item on our staging day to make sure it is show ready and the home will shine in its MLS photos. We also offer other services like Airbnb and short-term rental design, model home and spec home styling for home builders, home updates like painting, flooring, kitchens, and bathrooms, and even e-design that you and your sellers can take advantage of. We believe every home needs home staging, whether it's a seller who just needs some advice and an action plan to follow through our home staging report, or another who may ask us to complete the work to design and install the space. If you want to see some examples, you can head to our website or give us a call today to learn more about these services. Either way, I look forward to getting out there and working with you soon. Let's get started.